Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been doing bits online for a few years now, just on the side, nothing major. However, I was getting sick of trading my time for money. I love to travel and been to a lot of places, but there's so many beaches and cities I haven't been to. So after traveling a bit of Asia, I decided to live in Ho Chi Minh for 3 months. It's so cheap here and gives me the time to start an online business. So I brushed up on my knowledge, learnt some new skills, and figured out the earth is flat. Then I started sending 50 emails a day. Yes, it was long. However, I got responses and it didn't take long to get my first client. That's where I started my Facebook ad management career. It shows if you put yourself out there and don't procrastinate, you can actually achieve your goals. From there, I made an amazing website selling my services, what I know to do with lead generation, SEO and web design. However, I already had a website set up a while ago under jamesoliver.io and I didn't want to spend money on a new domain and hosting. So instead of going the brand route, I'm guessing I'm going for the personal brand now. I've learned a lot from YouTube, so I've decided to give something back and make regular videos that I'm committing to for a year. I'll show what I know, what I'm figuring out, what I have no idea I'm talking about. I hope you enjoy my journey. I plan on travelling the world and starting a business at the same time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.